In the arithmetic of the wild, we assume the equation is simple.
Mass equals might. Weight equals width. We are taught that the giant eats the dwarf. But nature hates a monopoly. Evolution engineered a different kind of warrior. One that doesn't rely on brute force but biological warfare. Impenetrable armor. Guerrilla tactics. Here, the underdog does not just survive. It dominates. Welcome to the war room of the small.
Night in the scrublands. A young male leopard is on the prowl.
He is 140 pounds of kinetic perfection. Looking for a quick kill. He thinks he's found a snack. The crested porcupine, 30 pounds of slow-moving rodent. To the uneducated eye, a sitting duck. This isn't just hair. It's keratin hardened into a phalanx of spears. Backward-facing barbs. Once they enter flesh, they don't come out. The leopard circles. This is the dance of death. But the porcupine executes a perfect tactical pivot. He presents his shield. He is not retreating. He is aiming. Contact. Pain is the great educator. A quill in the jaw can mean weeks without food. And starvation, is the real killer. Strategy defeats strength. The tank rolls on.
The Amazon. A chaotic biological zoo.
At the top of the food chain, the black caiman. An armored reptile the size of a small car. A bite force capable of snapping a femur like a dry twig. Enter the giant otter. Locals call them lobos de rio, the river wolves. Individually, they are prey. Together, they are a special forces unit. Observe the formation. They do not attack head-on. That would be suicide.
The bait. The flank. The rear guard.
The caiman is built for ambush, not extended combat. It cannot track 6 targets at once. The hunters become the hunted. In the war of attrition, endurance and coordination defeat armor. The river belongs to the wolves.
The Arizona bark scorpion. A nightmare built from chitin and venom and...
Its sting delivers a neurotoxic cocktail designed to shut down the nervous system. Humans compare it to being branded with a hot iron. But there is a creature that hunts this nightmare. A direct hit.
For any other mammal, this is the end.
But the grasshopper mouse has a secret, encoded in his DNA. The venom doesn't hurt him. It shuts pain off. It acts as a painkiller. It doesn't weaken him. It makes him stronger. He is the only carnivorous mouse in North America.
A wolf in rodent's clothing.
Size is irrelevant when your biology turns your enemy's weapon into fuel.
The spotted hyena. The bone crusher.
A pack of 3 can dismantle a zebra in minutes. They outweigh him 10 to 1. This should be a massacre. But the honey badger possesses a defense mechanism that's purely psychological. Total lack of fear. His skin is a loose, rubbery suit of armor.
When bitten, he can turn and bite back.
He targets the face. He targets the groin. He makes the violence too expensive.
The calculation changes.
The calories aren't worth the injuries. He wins by being simply too much trouble.
In the human world, we obsess over the biggest weapons, the largest armies.
But the wild teaches us a different lesson. Survival is not a contest of weight classes. It is a contest of innovation. Victory belongs to the bold, the adapted, the clever. Size may impress, but strategy survives.